How to create an account on GOG. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is on how to create an account on GOG. So first of all, head to the GOG.com website, hover over the sign in button right here and click on create account. After that, you need to create a username and use your email to confirm your account and create a strong password. You need to prove that you're not a robot, of course. As always, you need to verify and then click the sign up now. You can also use your Google account directly or your Discord account. After that, you might be prompted to verify your email. So go to your email account and check the email you have received. Save your credentials for easy access next time, and that's it. You now have an account on GOG.com. Enjoy playing your favorite games. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.